obtain the good things which are in Allah's hands. Obviously, we need to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but at the same time, we need to work towards the good things that we need from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, if a person wants to be respected in the society, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is able to grant that, but you also need to work on your manners so that you are acceptable in the eyes of the people. You cannot continue to behave badly and then simply ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to elevate your status in the society by making people love you and respect you when you are not working towards that. At one time, a man came to the house of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was seated with Aisha radiallahu anha. So when the man gave salam, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam recognized. So he said to Aisha radiallahu anha, this man is a man who does not know how to interact with people, meaning he's a man with bad manners. So when the man was allowed into the house, when he came in, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam received him so nicely. He gave him somewhere to sit, showed him 100% hospitality, and the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam akramahu, gave him some good things and showed him a lot of respect. So when he left, Aisha radiallahu anha said to the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Rasulullah, you say one thing about him, but you behave very differently towards him. When he came, he said he's a man with bad manners. He's someone who does not know how to interact with people. But then when he comes in, you show him hospitality and you're so good to him. I mean, is that right? She thought, is that not, like hypocrisy? Ta'ala Allah amma nadhunnu. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not be guilty of hypocrisy. But one would think, isn't that, like hypocrisy, where you say something about someone and then when the person comes, you're so good to him and showing him good manners and so on. The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the worst person on the day of judgment, the person with the worst position on the day of judgment is one who people are afraid of because of his bad manners, so they have to behave well towards him because they are afraid of his bad manners. I don't know if you understand what I mean. You have such bad manners that people are afraid of you. When they see you, they behave so nicely towards you because they are afraid of your bad manners. You're the worst person on the day of judgment. For example, people respect you and say, hey, you have to do mashallah, how are you? So, because they're afraid you will insult them. Or when you come to their home, they have to be, generous to you and give you things because they're afraid of what you are going to say. If that does not happen, that is the worst person. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam behaved like that towards this man because he has such bad manners. If you don't do that to him, he will probably insult all of you and say bad things about you. A person should not be like that. And wallahi, the majority of us are respected because we have bad manners. We think we're respected because we have good manners. Some people respect us because our manners are too bad. So when they see us, they say, mashallah, alhamdulillah, oh, very good. We can't be criticized. No one can ever criticize us because our manners are so bad that if they criticize us, we would insult them and insult their fathers and insult their mothers. Do you know such people? People you respect because you're afraid of insults? Anyone know someone in their heart? I'm not going to ask you to say their name, but you know someone in your heart? If you know someone, raise your hand. Let's see. I know several people I respect because I'm afraid of their bad. Maybe some people are also afraid of me because they respect me because they're afraid of my bad manners. That's not possible, isn't it? That's a very bad thing. Are we together? People should not respect you because of your bad manners. They should respect you because of your good manners. They're supposed to show you respect because of your good manners. They're supposed to show you love because of your good manners, not pretending to love you, pretending to respect you. And a lot of leaders are deceived like that.